How to check Instagram dashboard for analytics. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down until you find account type and tools. Then simply tap on it. Now tap on switch to professional account. Then tap on next. Now choose any one of them. Then tap on switch. Now tap on OK. Now wait for some time. Now select creator, then tap on next. Now tap on the cross icon. Now simply refresh the page, then tap on professional dashboard. Now on this page you can check your analytics. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.